Hold on, B. We gonna get this work.
I probably should have left. I should have listened to everybody. But did I? No, because I'm hard-headed. Well, my house is currently flooding. And my neighbor's house is... What is that? I saw a big old fat log come out. My car, gone. It could have been up there, but I decided to be hard-headed. And now that poor car is holding on by a thread. I called the emergency. They said they're going to be on their way, but I don't know how many people are probably already calling them. I probably should have left. I should have listened to everybody. But did I? No, because I'm hard-headed.